Bir dakikada Bulimia Nervoza nedir?
Bulimia nervosa is an eating disorder and a form of mental illness. People with bulimia binge eat. This means they eat an excessive amount in a short period with little or no control. They then try to compensate by purging the food, making themselves vomit, or using laxatives. Sufferers often try to hide their illness from those around them. Signs that someone may have bulimia include frequent use of the toilet after meals and obsession with food and body shape. They may also have damaged teeth from vomiting all the time. Over time, bulimia can lead to problems with the digestive system, dehydration and malnutrition. Treatment involves counselling to create positive attitudes to food and build self-esteem. Long-term engagement with this process can improve chances of recovery. It can be very hard at times, but many people do recover from bulimia, especially with the support of friends and family.